can earn $57 per minute using this secret method that everyone keeps hidden from you. You only need to set this up once, and you'll be earning money even while you sleep. This method works in almost all countries, no matter where you are in the world, and yes, it's completely free. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open canva.com in your browser. This is one of the best online design tools available right now, so create your account using your Google account, Facebook account, or your email if you want. Once you're logged in, click on Custom Size. Select the inches option, then enter 12 for the width and 16 for the height. Hit the Create New Design button, and this will take you to a page where you can design anything you want. For purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to create wall arts. These are very popular and trending right now. Many business owners and entrepreneurs are buying wall art, and they are willing to pay a good amount of money for them. Now, you might be thinking that designing wall art is very difficult and tricky, but trust me, I'm about to show you step by step how to design wall art and list them on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, and others, so you can start making money in no time. After watching this video, you'll have a passive income source that will help you make money even while you're sleeping. Be sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Now, go to ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. Give me unique and original quotes for inspiration for business owners or entrepreneurs. ChatGPT will generate many quotes that we can use on our wall art designs to make money. What you need to do next is copy these quotes one by one and paste them into your Canva design to create an attractive wall art design. Let's start by copying the first quote and going back to Canva. Select the text option, then choose Add a Heading and paste the quote you copied. Now, arrange the quote so it looks good. I'm going to delete all the words except risk. Change the font and make it bigger. Next, I'll add the next word, but I will make it smaller and select regular from here. Repeat this process to add more words. As you can see, our design is looking pretty good. It can easily attract business owners to purchase it. Now, let's create another design. This time, I'll select this quote from ChatGPT, arrange the words as we did with the first design, and that's it. Our second design is ready. By following this process, you can create multiple designs using the quotes generated by ChatGPT. Once you're done designing, download your designs by clicking Share and then the Download button. Our designs will be downloaded. Now come over to gelato.com. I've given the link of Gelato in description of this video. You can directly access it from there. Gelato is a print-on-demand platform that offers a wide range of white label products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases. You can print any design on these products. Now, we are getting closer to the money-making part, so don't miss this next step. There are many print-on-demand platforms, but I recommend Gelato because you don't have to pay anything to start your business. Gelato only deducts its charges after you make a sale, so it's a win-win situation for you. If you're enjoying this video so far, please subscribe to my channel and comment down telling your device name and country name so I can make videos that specifically work in your area and device. To start making money, first, create an account on Gelato by clicking this button for free. Once you've signed up, select the white label products you like, such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or wall art. After selecting a product, upload the designs you've created. Then, list your items on different online stores like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, etc. Whenever someone buys an item from your store, the order will be fulfilled by Gelato, and you'll receive your share after Gelato deducts their charges for printing and shipping. Now, let me show you some successful stores selling similar items and earning thousands of dollars per month. One store is called Kiki and Nim. They sell a variety of wall art with quotes. You can see that they have made around 178,000 sales so far, with prices ranging from $3 to $14. If we take $8 as the average sale price, they've earned a whopping $1.4 million. Motivational and business quote wall art is very popular and in demand because business owners and entrepreneurs buy them to stay motivated while working. If you are worried because Etsy isn't available in your country, you can use other e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, etc. Now that you understand how this business works, let's move on to the main step. This is the most important part, so watch it carefully. Open Gelato from the link in the description of this video and sign up. After signing up, your dashboard will look like this. First, click on the product catalog option on the left. Here, you'll see different white label products on which you can print your designs. You can choose any product you want, but for this video, I'm going to select the wall art product. This will show you different types of wall art, such as posters, wooden framed posters, and premium framed posters. I'm going to choose wooden framed posters because they are durable and affordable. This choice can impact your profits, so follow closely. Next, you'll be shown different qualities of the wooden frames. I'm going to choose premium matte paper because, as you can see, it's the best seller right now. After this, we will be taken to a page where we need to select the size, orientation, and frame. Every decision here matters. Don't skip these details. Here, select the 12x16 option since we created our design in that exact size in Canva. Then choose vertical and select black as your frame color. Lastly, make sure ready to hang is selected. Otherwise, buyers will receive their order in pieces that they'll need to assemble it by themselves. After this, scroll down and click the Start Designing button. On this page, upload the design you created in Canva. Just click here and a window will pop up. Here, you can upload your design using different options. I'll click on My Device and upload the design we created earlier. Once you upload your design, it will appear in the Files tab. Select the design you want to add to your wall art. You can also adjust your design if it doesn't automatically fit. On Gelato, you can add other elements to enhance your design. You're almost done. Just a few more clicks and your product will be ready to sell. Once you're done with your design, you can preview it to see how it will look. You can view your design in different mockups from here. When you're satisfied with your design, click the Save as Template button. Then, go back to the home page and select the Stores option on the left. This will take you to a page where you can connect your Gelato account to your Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Amazon, or other online stores. Once your store is connected, any order placed on these e-commerce sites will be redirected to Gelato, which will print your design and ship the product to the customer. You'll receive your profit after Gelato deducts the charges for shipping and printing. If you follow every step shown in this video, you'll have a passive income stream set up within a few months that could earn you $57 per minute. Once again, I've included the link to Gelato in the description of this video, so join Gelato from there and start your money-making journey. Now, if you want to earn even more money, you can watch this next video where I have revealed one more secret way to earn $20 per minute. I'll see you there.